Sunday, January 11th, and just to have Dad and Randy here today at the shop. And I know Randy's still doing some wiring work here. We'll check in on what Dad's doing on this yellow 67. And so when I dropped off Dad here this morning, he was wiping down the yellow 67, and it looks like he has all the painting done already on this. So he's just letting it all cure, and hopefully we can call the customer and tell them that the machine is ready to be picked up. I think there's a few little things that Dad wants to touch on the engine compartment, but hopefully we can get this out the door and back to the customer right away. And then we still got to reinstall that, or find out if they even want it reinstalled. Okay, I had to take off for a bit, but Randy was busy doing some wiring in here. He wired in the interior light. He's got the junction box on the side here now, and then he was doing a whole pile of wiring on the inside here underneath that dash. It's rough in here, guys. They got the junction box in the back wired in already now. So Randy's got to take off here for a medical. So they're just doing whatever they can here on this engine to get it back into place, because there's a lot of work here. And no, Peter and Donnie are still there.
Chief buying 2 new Bombardiers.
Oh, okay, yeah. One of our previous customers just sent us some photos and some videos on 2 new Bombardiers he bought. So I'm gonna have to show Peter. But this is what they're up to here. Randy can help out Dad with this. Dad really wants to get everything put together for this engine and transmission so that it's ready to go back into the red Bombardier. Again, we're just getting everything running, and part of getting everything running is doing that the wiring and getting this engine cleaned up, serviced, tuned up, back together. Dad had some spare parts he was able to put in there. Cleaning off the valves here. One of the guys mentioned to me, you know, we should be doing all new valves, and this, like, gotta worry about the budget for the customer here, guys. They're already
150 all the way through except one valve. So
okay.
We'll just put new seals on.
Yeah.
And if it had 150, the valves must be pretty good, so don't get too excited about putting new valves in.
There you go.
When the guy can't even afford a good light.
Okay. Anyways, Dad and Randy are going to work on this here for a bit, and I'm going to get out of the way. So Randy's just getting it all tightened up here, and looks like they put the plugs back in, and they got some cleanup they got to do here yet before it goes back in, but Randy's not going to be around for that. So one of the other things Dad pointed out to me here earlier was he's moved down this rad, or it's got to be moved down because it's too high. And this is on the yellow 67. So we're not quite done with the yellow 67 just yet, although the vast majority of the work that it came in for is done. Okay, what's going on?
Well, the head's on, it's torqued.
Yeah.
We're just adjusting the push rods to the lifters.
Okay.
There's a special sequence to it.
Everything's all marked out here already. These guys have been on this.
It's not here. This kind of work done.
Yeah. So Randy's jack of all trades and master of quite a few, actually. So we're happy to have him out here. And his mechanical brain is worth 3 times what we pay him. But it's
well, he's been doing it for 50 years.
Yeah. So the other thing is Randy's got to go out of town here for a while, and Dad wants to utilize his services as much as possible, because otherwise it just slows Dad and Randy down.
A lot of this takes 2 guys, and rather work with experience.
Yeah. So yeah, end of the day they're gonna finish when they finish, and I'm just gonna wait on Dad and
That's set, then we'll wait.
yeah. So right up to the last moment on Sunday. Pecker-headed dogs, +3, and everybody's lying in a sunbeam and happy and treats, eh? Oh, I'm lucky to have pecker-headed dogs at the shop, eh?